Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we are going to see the topic Ansible playbooks. This topic belongs to the fourth unit of for the subject DevOps. Actually, the fourth unit is about configuration management using Ansible. In the fourth unit, we will study about one of the DevOps tool, Ansible, and its architecture and uses. Playbooks are the file which will maintain the ordered list of tasks that are saved, and this will be run on the remote managed nodes. So when we run the playbook on the remote nodes, whatever the task defined in the playbooks will be executed on the managed nodes. Playbooks are written in YAM and are easy to read, write, share and understand. Ansible playbooks can perform wide variety of tasks as mentioned below. Deploying and configuring applications, managing system configurations, orchestrating complex workflows, etc. Let us see the structure of playbooks. Playbooks are actually YAM files. These are written in YAM programming language, which is human readable. YAM coding program will start with 3 hyphen, where we can define the task. Also we can define the host for which this will be applicable. We can list out the set of tasks. For example, install the Apache web server is one of the tasks. So when we run this playbook, this particular action task will be performed on the remote managed node. And also we can mention whether this action have to be performed on a single host or all host. So here we have mentioned all. So this installation will be executed in all the connected host. And also we can mention the name of the particular web server and the current state of the remote host, etc. So all these configurations can be written in the form of playbook. As we told, playbooks are the files where Ansible code is written. Playbooks are written in YAM format. YAM stands for yet another markup language, and they are like a to-do list for Ansible that contain a list of tasks. Playbooks contain the steps which the user wants to execute on a particular machine. Playbooks are run sequentially. Playbooks are the building blocks for all the use cases of Ansible. Each playbook is an aggregation of one or more plays in it. Playbooks are structured using plays. There can be more than one play inside a playbook. The function of a play is to map a set of instructions defined against a particular host. YAM is a strict typed language, so extra care needs to be taken while writing the YAM files. There are different YAM editors, but we will prefer to use a simple editor like Notepad++. Just open Notepad++ and copy and paste the below YAM file and change the language to YAM so that we can apply it as a playbook. YAM starts with 3 hyphens as we told. This is an example for another playbook where we are going to install. The task is install and configure the database, and not for all the host where we have mentioned the host only. This have to be applied for the test server. And also we can mention multiple tasks, like here we have mentioned install the Oracle database, ensure the installed device is enabled and running, etc. In the above example, we have seen the playbook where we are trying to cover the basic syntax of a playbook. Save the above content in a file as test.yml. The extension is YML. YAM syntax needs to follow the correct indentation, and one needs to be a little careful while writing the syntax. The name tag specifies the name of the Ansible playbook, as in what this playbook will be doing. Any logical name can be given to the playbook. Host. In the host tag, we have to specify the list of host or host group for which we want to apply the task or run the task. The host field tag is mandatory. It tells Ansible on which host to run the listed task. The task can be run on the same machine or on a remote machine. Once the once one can run the task on multiple machines, and hence host tag can have a group of host entry as well. Vars tag let you define the variables which you can use in your playbook. Usage is similar to variables in any programming language. Task. All playbooks should contain task or a list of tasks to be executed. Task are a list of actions one needs to perform. A task field contains the name of the task. This works as the help text for the user. It is not mandatory but provides useful in debugging the playbook. Each task internally links to a piece of code called a module. A module that should be executed and arguments that are required for the module you want to execute. So that's all about the basic things about the playbook. Thank you.